Hello and welcome to Anglo Legal. Most of you know me by now. My name is John. I'm the Client Affairs Manager and I'm a practicing British and international lawyer and I'm a member of the International Bar Association. I'm backed up here at Anglo Legal by in-house Thai attorneys, barristers, accountants and consultants. Here we're expanding on our series of how to live, work and abide in laws in Thailand. This is to ensure that you, our clients, the expat community is aware of ongoing problems and issues that can cause problems for your stay here in the Kingdom and for you to stay legally and law-abiding. So we think criminal activity, we think of major offences like murder, manslaughter, rape, drug trafficking, etc. But there's pitfalls in every system, and things that we may think are minor offences are actually considered quite serious here in Thailand. And it can cause problems for everyday tourists and especially everyday expats. As expats, we might have been here a year, 10 years, 20 years, and we sometimes forget about what is lawful, what is acceptable, and what is not. Because quite simply, time flies here. And for a lot of people, daily routine is daily routine, and they don't give a second thought to things that we consider back home minor. But these things can be major here. So what are we talking about? Basic little things for expats and tourists. The driving license strap. So if you are renting a motorcycle, a scooter, a car, or indeed driving one anywhere in Thailand, you need to have the correct driving licenses. Now, what a lot of people don't realise is, so let's say a UK or a foreign driving licence with a basic IDP, International Driving Permit, is only valid for your first 90 days in Thailand. So if you're an expat here or you're on a long-term visa, you must obtain a Thai driving licence. Why? Well, set aside the roadside stop checks, the fines, and potential criminal penalties. What happens when you get into an accident? If you don't have the right licence, the right IDP, or a Thai driving licence, etc., your insurance cover is going to be void. Now, we all know that insurance companies will look for something to void the coverage so that they don't have to pay out. Where does that leave you? Well, it leaves you personally responsible for damage, for medical, for damage to property, vehicles, people. That can give rise to tens, if not hundreds of thousands, and in some cases of millions of Thai baht in damages, healthcare and compensation. Now, if you don't have the money to pay that and settle it as a civil debt, it moves to criminal debt and it moves to criminal litigation. What does criminal litigation do? It gets you into the court system, and if you get sentenced to 30 days or more, even were suspended, you are deported from the country and blacklisted. All because potentially you had insurance which was voided because you didn't have the correct driving licence. So the takeaway is quite simply this. If you're here, drive with the correct licence. If you're on an extended visa, over 90 days, 1 year, etc., you must have a Thai driving licence. Okay, so next things, and we'll come back onto immigration. So you've got your visa, you have your money in the bank. What a lot of people then fall foul of is the administrative reporting. Your TM30, your 90-day reports. A lot of it is overlooked. But again, because of the current system, the Thai immigration and Thai authorities are now tightening up on this. They can give you penalties for late reporting or non-reporting. They can cause problems and issues for you when it comes time to renew. And this is where people are beginning to fall foul. It's a new generation of immigration, and they're enforcing regulations more rigorously than ever before. So your 90-day report. Once you enter the country, you have 90 days to either leave or to report that you're still here and where you are. The onus is on you to do that. You can do it at immigration or on the digital portal. But it's vital that you do because it's part of the immigration system. The biggest overlooked one is the TM30, and that is where you are residing. Now, for many people coming here as a tourist, the hotel or apartments will do that for you. And when you move to your next, you give your passport in again, and they'll do it again. But what a lot of people don't realise is if you own property here, and let's say you have a condo in Pattaya, you are the landlord. You are responsible for your own TM30 submission within 24 hours of entering the country. Failure to do so, is an offence and can cause problems. This is not I forgot, it's okay. It is a mandatory requirement. And again, little things like this can build into big issues and cause problems for you at your next immigration visit. So, again, stay legal, stay compliant. The biggest one that's overlooked, defamation. The good old let's post something on social media criticising a business, a person, an entity, the government, the king, the queen, whatever the case may be. The minute you put something in writing and post it online, it's there for everybody to see. If it's derogatory, if a person loses face, if it caused them shame or hardship, in today's climate, that is enough to get you into criminal proceedings in a police station, on bail, have your immigration status revoked, have it as a judicial visa, being on bail for up to 84 days, into the criminal system, facing a sentence, deportation and blacklisting. We fall into it all the time. We see someone commenting online, it might get your back up, you might have a dispute with them. Don't respond online. Do it privately. If you have to respond, do it lawfully. The amount of defamation cases we see coming through these offices is incredible. And the law is precise. The evidence is there in black and white. How do you defend it? How do you answer it? Obviously, each case is different. But again, the takeaway, don't respond. Don't bite. Don't criticise. Don't defame. If you have a problem with a party, come and see us here or another reputable firm who can handle it through mediation and negotiation. The purpose of these blogs is quite simply to remind our community, to remind tourists, to remind expats of the little things that can jump up and bite us on the rear just when we don't expect it. So stay safe. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a share, give it a like, follow us on Facebook, follow us on YouTube. We're here to provide these little updates just for you, our community. Again, we always have a plug right at the end. We're a business and we're here to support everybody. For all of your legal and accounting needs, we're here with our award-winning English-speaking team, Anglo Legal, just by Big C, Pattaya. We've got more coming in this series and more coming over the next coming weeks, which we think will give you a better insight into current proceedings within Thailand, many new updates from immigration and the government, and we will be responding with individual client cases where we have permission to share what's going on. These could be developers in the locality who are not complying with laws and that clients are falling into traps. We will be expanding on that as we have current cases. Or it could be just things like this to give you updates. We try to do this as a matter of routine. We try to be on time. Bear with us. We're here for everything. Thanks for watching.